Did you know you're probably wasting hours every day by reaching for your mouse in Google Chrome? In the next few moments, what I'm going to do is show you 5 keyboard shortcuts that can make you browse faster, work more efficiently, and impress your friends and colleagues. Let's get started. Shortcut number 1 is opening up a new tab. Instead of moving your mouse over to the plus icon here and clicking on that to open up a new tab, what you can simply do is hold down Control on your keyboard and press T, and voila, you've got a fresh new tab available to you, ready for you to go to whatever website you want. Whether you're researching, whether you're shopping, or simply opening up another website, this shortcut saves you a click every single time. Shortcut 2, closing the current tab. Normally what you would do is click on the crosser icon here to close this tab from this browser, but don't do that. Hold down Control, press W, and voila, that tab has vanished. Instead of clicking on the little X, simply Control, press W at the same time, and the current tab closes immediately. It's one of the quickest shortcuts you'll ever learn. Shortcut 3 is reopen a closed tab. We've all done it. You accidentally closed the wrong tab like this. Don't panic. Simply press on your keyboard, hold down Control, hold down Shift and press T. That will reopen that closed tab. So Chrome instantly restores the last tab you closed. This shortcut alone can save you from searching your history or trying to remember what page you were on. Shortcut 4, jump to the address bar. Want to search Google or type in a website without touching your mouse? Well, hold down Control and press L. What this does, this highlights the address bar immediately, allowing you to type straight into the address bar with the website you want to go to or the search you want to do. And it's absolutely perfect for anybody who spends a lot of time browsing. Shortcut 5, switch between tabs. Finally, here's one that can seriously improve your productivity. Hold down Control, press the tab key. This moves to the next open tab like this. Need to go backwards? Well, hold down Control, hold down Shift and press tab, and you'll see you're moving back a tab every single time, whichever tab you want to go to. So if you're consistently or constantly working across multiple websites, this shortcut becomes second nature and can save you countless mouse movements throughout the day. And there you have it, 5 Google Chrome keyboard shortcuts that will help you browse faster and work smarter. Which shortcut did you already know? Which one are you going to start using today? Let me know down in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who spends a lot of time using Google Chrome. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.